Hi guys! In June 2023, we traveled for 2 weeks in an RV. We visited the Black Hills area in South Dakota, Yellowstone National Park, and Grand Teton National Park. We had 4 adults and 2 kids living in a brand new RV, 2023 Dynamex Izada 5. In the next few videos, we'll share our RV life as a family of 6 and amazing places we've been to. Don't forget to subscribe! Okay, this is day 1 of our great adventure 2023. This is our brand new RV. It was very comfortable riding in the front. I don't know about the back. We're stopping at a rest area. I forgot the name. It's in Utah. We have our Starlink installed, and this one has outside TV, and we're gonna go inside and have some lunch. We're having spam musubi for lunch. So one for you.
Thank you.
And this is pre-made. She already got one and you got one. So we're gonna have this for lunch and keep going. We're gonna have some Hawaiian sun with it. Paris is very comfortable in the front. We have her bed set up right here, and it was very comfortable for her. She just slept all the way, and then front ride is very nice and smooth, and noise is very minimum compared to Winnebago. And it lets more light in than Winnebago.
Very nice car.
We used to have Winnebago View 24D, and we switched to this one, Dynamex. What is it? Dynamex Izada 5. Okay, this is our second stop at a gas station, and looks like where we're going, it's going to be rainy. Okay, we arrived at our campground in Heber City, Utah. It could be Heber City. I don't know if I'm saying it right. We're gonna eat dinner and relax. Okay, this is our dinner we picked up from the local restaurant. This is some kind of Korean beef bowls, 3 of them. And this is some Asian pork lettuce wrap and brisket special dinner. We tried this a year ago and it was really good, so it should be good.
Yeah.
So the campground had a pizza truck came over today, so we got some pizzas, some meatball sandwich we ordered, but we got some meatballs, and then cheese bread and tiramisu. kids had some milk kits too. Uh-oh. Let me see. What shape did you pick? Oh, soft served ice cream. Nice.
My turn.
There's a cute penguin one too. Penguins on the top of the roofs of the hotels or these buildings. So we got 4 swirls like this, which is not bad for 75 cents. And we didn't get the waffle cone or anything fancy. It was just cone and it was 75 cents. Here's a Sinclair dinosaur. And they also have a playground back there. It's good for little kids. Stopping at Flying J to fill up this time. That didn't work out, so we came to different gas station. We're gonna fill up and go to our next destination. Uh-oh. Okay, Okay, so we made it work and go out, but we don't know if we'll come in later.
Can't find any ice box though.
Oh, good. It's good for now. Beautiful sunset. It was a good day, even though we have some problems, but we're good. See you tomorrow.
Uh-oh.
That was it for today.